In this quick guide, you'll learn how to sign up to Moomoo. If you're ready to dive into the world of investing with Moomoo, the first step is getting your account set up. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through every detail to ensure you're up and running in no time. First things first, open the Moomoo app on your device. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to head over to your app store and get it installed. Once you have the app open, look for the sign up button. It's your gateway to accessing the features Moomoo has to offer. Give that button a tap to get started. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your email address or phone number. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. If you prefer using your phone number, make sure it's one you have easy access to, as you might need to verify it later. Alternatively, if you're using an email address, ensure it's one you check regularly, as important updates and verifications will be sent there. Next, it's time to create a password. Choose something secure but memorable. A strong password typically includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, keeping your information safe. After entering your password, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. Moomoo will guide you through each step, which may include verifying your email or phone number, filling out some personal information, or agreeing to terms and conditions. Take your time to read through any important details during this step to ensure you're fully informed about the account you're setting up. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully signed up to Moomoo. Now you're ready to explore, invest, and manage your portfolio with confidence. Remember, setting up your account is just the beginning of your investing journey. Keep exploring Moomoo's features and tools to make the most out of your experience. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial on how to sign up to Moomoo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides and tips. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.